In front of me is HardReset.Info 1, and let me show you how to clear browsing data. So at first, open the browser that you are using. In my case, it is Google Chrome. Tap on More icon and select History. And now click on Clear Browsing Data. Here you can manage the stuff that would be deleted, so you can remove browsing data, browsing history, cookies and site data, cached images and files, saved passwords, out-of-info data, and site settings. Just mark every info that you would like to remove, then pick the time range. And that's it. Now just tap on Clear Data. Wait a couple of seconds, and this is it. That will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.